Yeah, everything gets funny in Gadget Man land. Hi everybody, this is Ron, and today is August the 15th of 2019. And this is a video, the first video actually, on snake oil. Alright, so this is my neighbor from across the street. Would you care to introduce yourself, Connor?
Yeah, I'm Connor Kozio from across the street.
Yeah.
I lived here for about 2 months.
Yeah. So you know I do a lot of crazy stuff in my shop, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. And just
mind-blowing stuff.
Yeah, it is cool. All right, let me turn that off there. All right, now I gave you a little sample of something the other day. Would you care to tell everybody about it?
Snake oil. You gave me a sample of it. You just told me to put it in my oil. So that's what I did. I put it in. I let my car idle for about 5 minutes, and then I went out and drove it. And the results were almost immediate.
Yeah.
And yeah.
You backed up into my driveway in 5 minutes or less. Yeah. You already grinning.
Yeah, the car instantly got like quieter. When I was driving, it was smoother. The engine felt like it was a new engine, basically.
No, that's cool. It kind of is, actually. All right, I mean, it kind of is actually new. All right, so now you've driven it for a few days. Is it continuing to improve?
Yeah. I mean, it continues to amaze me every day. Yeah.
Oh, sweet. So would you recommend snake oil to somebody out there?
Oh, yeah. There's nothing like it on the market today. So.
Yeah, so it's not really snake oil then, is it? All right. You got anything else you want to tell everybody out there in Gadget Man land?
I would highly recommend Ron, because he's always blowing my mind with stuff, new stuff. And it's crazy. It always works.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that. All right. Well, then, all right, guys. So I'll just say, God bless y'all richly and warmly, and as always, remember to smile for a stranger today. You will both be glad you did. Bye-bye.